Hey, hello.
Hello.
Ready to ride some bike, Damon?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Be careful, there's a car coming down the alley. I don't know where they're going, so stop. Okay, you can go. You can go, Damon. Go. I don't want to hit you. Come on, go. Woohoo, Damon. Want to try to go around the block? Yeah, you want to? Huh? Why not? Turn around. Haha. This bicycle is really tiny, and I'm trying to ride, and it hurts my butt. Yep. Oh crap. I'm good. About wrecked. Yep, I'm good though. Really good.